just to remind you that the magistrate will deliver the ruling on the 27th. That's next Wednesday, scheduled to be 11:30 in the morning, and to alert you from very early that because the court is 11:30, we are going to rearrange the timing for next week Wednesday. We would not be able to commence at the usual 12 o'clock Guyana time, 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, because the court is 11:30 Guyana time on the 27th. But we promise you, we're going to have the program that day. I have no doubt about that. We are going to have the program so we can bring to you what transpired in court. That's next Wednesday. Now, even before then, tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, I'm in court with the trumped-up sexual assault cases. It is for report in Georgetown Magistrate Court. Again, I said report. It means, therefore, that when the time comes, the magistrate is going to ask a report and perhaps set the dates for the trial or the day for the trial to commence. So that is tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. And as I've said before, despite what the things say on all them slow and running and hiding from nothing, Slow is anxiously awaiting the trial, right? And you know, they say all the time, you do nothing, you fear nothing. I have done nothing, and I have nothing to fear. Despite all they're trying with, the trumped up conspiracy charge, that trial is virtually ended. It's just to the magistrate now to render a decision. And as CC explained to you on Monday, and you know, we like teach, the magistrate can rule. No case submissions were made by the lawyers. Powerful no case submissions. And in response, all the prosecutors could have said that he relied on the evidence before the court. But I can tell you, the evidence before the court, I don't know if you could call it flimsy. It is almost non-existent in relation to the charge, right? So that's going to be me. So she can rule, uphold the no case submissions, in which case the matter finished. She can decide that there's a case for us to answer. And if she decides there's a case for us to answer, then our rights will be put to us. We can remain silent. We can individually go in the witness box and give your story. And for those of you who don't know, once you go in the witness box and you swear and you say what you have to say, then you are subjected to cross-examination by the prosecutor or the prosecution. Or you can go in the witness box. You can choose not to swear. You make a statement, in which case you cannot be cross-examined. Now, a little further for those policemen who are listening, you know, I did prosecutor's course a long time ago. Once you swear in the witness box, if you are called upon to give evidence in your own defense and you swear, then the magistrate or the judge must take what you say into consideration in determining guilt or innocent. If you choose not to swear, as I said, no one can cross-examine you, and the magistrate may take into consideration what you have said. When that is done, you can also call witnesses to support your case. So that's the way that's the stage we are at. We're either no case submission or call upon for a defense, and that is next Wednesday. So again, I say we like to teach. We like to teach. And so that is where we are. Let me bring in Mr. Conway to make his comment on that, and then we're going to move into the first substantive matter for today. CC, your comment on the charges?
Well, you said it all, and you sound like a senior counsel. And in addition to us giving, if we decide to give evidence, we can call our witnesses, and they'll have to go through the cross-examination and re-examination if necessary. And then the defense will address the magistrate saying, well, the case must go down the drain, and the prosecutor will address and saying why we should be convicted, and then the magistrate will rule one way or the other. And that's in a nutshell it is.
Yeah, you said ISC, but is that, if I sound like ISC, hope another SC MP. Hope you tell me I sound like a SC MP, right? So yeah. People got to know.
Remember, I said senior counsel. You know, I didn't abbreviate anything.
I noted that, my friend. I noted that. Now let me move on.